To list products on your WordPress website, especially if you're using WooCommerce, follow these steps. Install and activate WooCommerce. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Search for WooCommerce, click Install Now and then Activate. Set up WooCommerce. After activation, WooCommerce will guide you through the initial setup process, including currency, shipping and tag settings. Complete the setup to prepare for product listing. Add the product. Go to Products, Add New in the WordPress dashboard. Enter the product name and description in the provided fields. Scroll down to the product data section and choose the product type. Set a regular price and, if needed, a sale price. Add product images by clicking on Set Product Image and uploading your image. You can also add product categories, tags, and other details like SKU, stock status, and shipping details. Publish the product. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click the Publish button on the right to make the product live. View your products. Go to your website and navigate to the shop page to see the listed products.